Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today you are having your second video lecture. This video lecture is about your May task. Newly admitted students have already got it from the school, and the rest of the students they will get it from the school. This May task has 20 marks and there are only 4 questions to do. This May tasks you will do in your English neat notebooks, neatly and tidily. You know that you will use only one English notebook. There are no separate notebooks for English A and English B. This May task you will do in your neat English notebook. Before this you wrote course content. After this you are going to write the May task. You are going to write May task in your neat notebooks. First you will write here the heading May task, as you can see in the screen. You will use blue marker for this. No use of black marker, please. After giving this heading May task, you will start doing your May task. First I will read for you people all the May tasks. I will explain it to you, and after this I will show you the way how you will do it in your neat notebooks. So on the screen you are watching that here you have your English May task. At one side there are marks are written. There are total 20 marks for this. On the very top there is a note, do the work in English notebook. As I told you before that you will have one English notebook, so the same you will use for English A and English B both. Now I will read out the questions for you given in the May task. Question number 1 is write an application to your principal to receive a relative. Question number 2 is write a story on the given moral, honesty is the best policy. Question number 3 is a comprehension passage. This comprehension passage is from your book from the unit number 1. The passage is written in the May task. After the passage there are 5 questions for you. You will read the passage you will read the passage and you will attempt these 5 questions. Question number 4 is write a letter to your friend congratulating her on her success in exam. So these are 4 questions which you will write in your neat notebooks. At the end there is a learning. What you will learn, that you will read unit number 1 and search meaning from the dictionary and learn. When you will read the chapter number 1 or unit number 1, you will find out the meanings, and the same story which you will write in your neat notebooks you are going to learn it. Now I am going to explain how you will prepare your page in your English notebook. Your first question is an application. Write an application to the principal for to receive a relative. As you can see on the screen here, I prepared the title page. This is called the title page for application. I wrote here the word application with bold writing. Blue marker is used here. Okay, writing, for writing you will use the blue marker. Here I used a simple pattern. You can use the same or you can draw any other pattern which you like. But the thing is the neatness and the tidiness of the work. The more you will do your work neat and tidy, good, the more marks you can get. Remember, you have marks for this work. Now after writing this question, the question is from the tasks. You will write the question from the given task, and after this you will write the pattern of the application. The pattern is there on the screen. The principal. After this there is a comma. Then you will be writing in the next line Shaw Model Girls High School 2. After this there is a comma. The Lazak Road, comma, and then Pshar, full stop. In the subject you will write grant of a leave to receive a relative. Then you will write the application, and how you will end it, these things are there on the screen, you can see, and you are supposed to follow the same pattern for writing application. When you will end your application, there is the line at the end that yours obediently. After this there is a comma. Name, you don't need to write this word name, direct you will write your name. After this there is a class. Here you will write your concern class. You are students of class 7, so 7A students they will be writing 7A, 7G students they will be writing 7G, and after this there is the date. You will not write this word date, but you will write the same date on which you are writing this application. So this was all about your application. Your second question is, write a story on the given model. Honesty is the best policy. Before writing this story, you will prepare the title page. As on the screen you can see, I prepared the title page as a sample. After writing this, you will write a question on the neat notebook as it is given to you people in your May task, that is, write a story on the given model. Honesty is the best policy. After writing this question, you will write title. You will use capital letters. How you will write, you can see on the screen. When you will write this word title, the first letter T you will write in the 2 lines. Rest of the letters are also capital, but you will write in 1 line, as you can see on the screen. After writing this title, in the next you will start writing as your story starts from once upon a time there was a woodcutter. So you will start writing like this. After writing half of the story and your page is finished, on the next page you are going to draw a sketch of this story. How you will draw the sketch? The one on the screen you can see as I draw a sketch for this story. You can draw the same sketch or you can draw your own. That depends on you people. The sketch should show what was happening in this story. As I draw here the picture of a fairy and a woodcutter. So you can draw it according to your own choice. Now suppose on the next page your story completes in half of the page. Then after completing the story you will write the heading moral. And how you will write on the screen you can see. This is the way to write a story. Third question is comprehension passage. For this I prepared the page for you, comprehension passage, and then you are not supposed to write the full passage. You can write the passage in your dotted form. As I show it on the screen, that I used the first line and the last few lines of the last few words of the story, not the line but the few words of the passage. The same you will prepare. In the next page you will write answer these questions. In the first page you will write answer these questions, and after this you will write question number 1 and you will write its answer. The answers are there in the passage. Now the next is question number 4, that is about a letter. First you will prepare title page for the letter, and then in the next page you will write the question. Write a letter to your friend congratulating her on her success in exam as it is given to you in your May task. After this, the next thing is how to start the letter. The first thing is the address in a letter, and how you are going to write the address you can see on the screen. You will use only blue marker for this. As you can see, house number here H and N are capital, and this you will write with the blue marker. Next letters are small, and this you will write with your blue ink pen. Now I wrote here house number 1. This is my address. You will write the house number of your own. You will not write house number 1. You will write your own address here. Second line is street number 2. Here you will write your own street number. Next you will write the road. For example, if your house is on GT Road or Ring Road or the Razak Road or any other, you will mention the same road. Next line is that is the name of the city, that's the same Shar. So after this there is a full stop because the address completes here. Next I wrote the date March 20th 2021, but you will write the same date on which you are writing this letter. After this you will start dear friend. You may write dear friend or you can write the name of your friend. Both are correct. Then after this you will start writing your letter. When you ends your letter, at the end you can write pay my regards to all at home, or you may write pay my regards to all with you, or you can write best wishes, your loving friend, and the next is the name. So here direct you will write your name. This is the way to write the letter. Now this was all about your May task. I hope you have understood it. Remember girls, you have 20 marks for this, and this May task you are going to do in your English NEET notebooks. After this there is a question, that is the learning. So you will read unit number 1 and you will find the meaning. For this, for your oral homework you can learn the same story, that is moral honesty is the best policy. You can learn the same story. This was all about today's video. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.